I've greatly improved my editing in social media. I had zero experience of editing whatsoever. I got Sony Vegas and I just looked up tutorials and self-taught, and there's a lot of good YouTubers out there who have shown easy step-by-steps, and I've also learned how to use Audacity for recording, which I use to record the audio in all my videos. I use OBS for the webcam. I used to use the Logitech software, but it is bad. It just jumps constantly and it's glitchy. I like using OBS to record videos. It's not just for people doing live streams, it's very good for webcam recording and also screen capturing on your computer. It's a very good piece of software. It is very time consuming. I've noticed my Billy Hatcher review was ridiculous, how much time that took me. I was stringing together every word I was saying. I was stringing the cutscenes to match every word that I was saying, going through the whole game, what I had played to match every word, and that is so stupid. That is so dumb, honestly. It's like nobody cares. I mean, yes, show the gameplay. If it doesn't take you too long to match it to what you're saying, that's fine. But don't spend all day going through every single clip. It's just dumb. I wouldn't recommend anyone do that. At the end of the day, they're here for you. They're not here for the specific audio to match the specific cutscene, you know. Like, there's people that release videos every day. I mean, and if you want to make YouTube a serious thing, you're probably better doing something else that's not saturated. This is not this channel. YouTube will never be a serious thing on this channel, especially since this is a gaming channel. I just don't want to spend all day making videos, editing my videos, when I could have a full-time job, and I want to do YouTube and have a full-time job and have a nice lifestyle. Just don't take yourself too seriously, that's what I'm saying. Mostly you can just get a webcam, get a microphone, talk in front of the camera, and just be exciting. It's all about being exciting. That's how people want to watch and have something interesting to talk about. Unlike my Let's Plays where we just ramble on about random rubbish. I did come across a lot of problems. Footage can get corrupt, as I mentioned earlier, with the capture card. Sometimes I'm recording audio, you stop the audio, and you find out halfway through the microphone stopped working, and it's just white noise, or something's wrong with the webcam, like it doesn't capture right, or it can be just anything, you know. It's just little things like Sony Vegas crashing on me, and I haven't saved footage, or I save over work that I've spent hours doing, and I have to do it again. I'm like, oh god. That's another thing. As soon as you finish a video, render it and upload it to YouTube and keep it private, because that way you have multiple copies of it and you have less chance of saving over your work. Trust me, as soon as you get a video finished, render it and upload it, though keep it private, just so you have multiple backups, because you don't want to have to do that again, trust me. And unfortunately that happened to one of my Let's Play videos on James Bond, one of the 10-minute ones.